Okay, YouTube, welcome to Weekly Math Review Q22. We are on Tuesday. We're going to be looking at the Sandra question, and we're going to be looking at the Dan question. It's kind of blurry. Just me. Okay, Sandra has 48 inches of fruit roll-up. If Sandra and her three friends want to share the fruit roll-up evenly, how much will each person get? How many inches will each person get? Okay, so how many people do we have here that are sharing 48 inches of fruit? Some of you guys hopefully didn't put 3. There's actually 4 people here because it's Sandra and her 3 friends. Okay, so we're just going to draw a picture. This is an equal groups problem. Equal groups. Anytime you're sharing something like evenly like this, it's an equal groups problem. You're going to want to make circles, right? Because we got 4 friends. We have our 4 friends right there. And we're going to be sharing the 48 inches amongst these 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48. Whoa, I got kind of dizzy there. So the hard part was just making sure I stayed going in the same motion. I've seen you guys sometimes go check, X, 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 and then you kind of forget where you put the last one. So I tried to make sure I kept going in the same pattern so you don't accidentally put an X in the same circle twice or something. You got to make sure you pass them out evenly. Pretend like you're at a party and you're passing something out. Okay? Now we just count how many are in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, thought I had made a mistake. Okay, so that's the drawing the method strategy. You need to get to the point where you see it like this, though. 48 inches shared among 4 friends. What times 4 equals 48, right? Because multiplication is the inverse of division. So what times 4 equals 48? 12. This is a fact family. We've talked about fact families before. When you see 48 and 4, there's only a couple different options that could be. 12, whatever 4 times 48 is. What is 4 times 48?
That would be 192.
Those are your only 2 options, really, for the answer. 192 or 12. As soon as you see 48 and 4, you should be thinking 12 and 192. You should still read the problem, but that's a good double check. Fact families. Got to know your multiplication facts. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. Okay, now we're moving on to Dan and his friends. This looks like another equal groups problem, right? Because we're sharing something. You got Dan is wanting to pass out cookies. Dan and his 4 friends. Oh, remember, we got 5 people here because it's Dan and his 4 friends. Each have 6 cookies. If they each eat 2 of the cookies, how many cookies do they? Okay, let's see. Do we want to draw a picture here? Sure. Let's do 5 friends, right? Because it's Dan and his 4 buddies. They each have 6. Okay. Oh, but then they eat 2. So they had 6, now they eat 2. So now they have 4. See how I'm just going with the story? Does that make sense now? 5 friends each have 4 cookies. Yes. Now we can just do skip counting. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Got to work on your skip counting skills. Skip counting is just like multiplication. Repeated addition. All right. Hopefully that helps you with the Q22 Tuesday homework.